Welcome to Tech Girl Kannada YouTube channel. Applied Chemistry for CSE stream BCHE 202 Module 1 Electrode System and Green Energy. Electrode System. Electrode. A metal is in contact with solution of its own ions is called electrode or a half cell. For example, copper, zinc, magnesium electrodes, etc. Single electrode potential E. The potential developed when a metal is in equilibrium with its own ions in the solution. Standard electrode potential E naught. Standard electrode potential is the potential developed when metal is in equilibrium with its own ions in the solution of a unit concentration at standard temperature and pressure. EMF of a cell. EMF of is the potential difference between the two electrodes of galvanic cell, which causes the flow of current from the electrode having high reduction potential to the electrode having lower reductional potential. EMF is equals to E cathode minus E of anode. Classification of the electrodes based on composition. Metal ion electrode. In this type of electrode, metal is contacted with metal ions of a soluble salt. Metal insoluble salt. In this type electrode, the metal is contacted with metal ions of insoluble, sparingly soluble, partially soluble salt. For example, for metal ion examples are zinc is contacted with zinc sulfate and copper is contacted with copper sulfate. For metal insoluble salt, silver is contacted with silver chloride and mercury is in contacted with mercuric chloride. Gas electrode. The gas electrode consists of particular gas flushed around inert noble metal which contacted to ions to which it is reversible. Standard hydrogen electrode. Redox electrode. When an inert metal dips into a solution containing ions of two different oxidation states of same metal. PT, platinum, bar Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus. Amalgam electrode. A metal dissolved in mercury is in contact with a metal salt solution. It is useful when pure metal itself reacts with the solution. Ion selective electrode. A membrane is in contact with an ionic solution. Glass electrode, solid state electrode. Reference electrode. Reference electrodes are the electrodes, those potential already known. With respect to these potential of any other electrodes, potential can be measured. Secondary reference electrode. Secondary reference electrodes are the electrodes those potential already know by using She. These electrodes can be used to measure any other electrode's potential. For example, calomel electrode and silver chloride electrode. Here we'll be studying about the construction, working, advantages and applications of calomel electrode. This electrode is example for metal ion electrode. It consists of glass tube in which mercury is placed at the bottom and it covered by a plate of mercury and mercurous chloride and a solution of KCl of the known concentration. A platinum wire is immersed into the mercury and used for electrical contact. There is porous disc at the bottom of the glass tube acts as salt bridge. Here we can see the exact construction where there is a glass tube in which mercury is placed. The black dots are mercury at the bottom and it is covered by paste of mercury and mercurous chloride. Those colorless bubbles are mercury and mercurous chloride and a solution of KCl is of known concentration. Saturated KCl solution. A platinum wire is immersed into the mercury where you can see in the figure and used for electrical contact. There is a porous disc at the bottom of the glass tube which acts as a salt bridge. Calomel electrode can be represented as Mercury in liquid state, but mercury called chloride, KCl. Calomel electrode can act as anode or cathode depending on the nature of the other electrode in the cell. When it acts as anode, the electrode reaction is 2Hg plus 2Cl minus Hg2Cl2 plus 2 electrons. 2Hg gives Hg22 plus 2 electrons. Hg22 plus 2 chloride gives Hg2Cl2. When it acts as cathode, the electrode reaction is Hg2Cl2 plus 2 electrons gives 2Hg plus 2Cl. Now 2Hg plus 2E minus gives 2Hg. Hg2Cl2 gives 2Hg plus 2Cl minus. The net cell reversible electrode reaction is Hg2Cl2 solid plus 2 electrons, 2Hg plus 2Cl minus. Electrode potential ESCE. E naught of the CE plus 2.303 RT by NF log Cl minus whole square. Okay. Next, the Calomel electrode potential reversible with respect to fluoride concentration. Therefore, electrode potential of Calomel electrode is depending upon the concentration of KCl. For saturated KCl, the potential is plus 0.2422. For 1 N, 0.1 N KCl, the values are 0.281 volt and plus 0.334 volt respectively. Application of this Calomel electrode, it is used as secondary reference electrode to measure other electrode potential. It is used as reference electrode in all potentiometer, used in determining whether the potential distribution in ship hulls and pipelines protected by cathodic protection. As a portable reference electrode for measuring the different depths of oil rigs on platforms, submerged oil pipelines. Energy storage system. Definition. A battery is a compact device used to store chemical energy using two or more cells connecting the series or parallel. It can convert on demand. Components of battery. The basic unit in battery is electrochemical cell. Consists of four major components. Anode. Electrode undergoes oxidation by releasing the electrons to the external circuit. Cathode. The electrode undergoes reduction by accepting electrons from the external circuit. Electrolyte. It is present in both cathode and anode compartments, and the solution of acid, alkali, and high conductivity ionic salts are commonly used electrolytes. Separator. It is used to avoid the internal short circuiting and also helps to transfer the ions from anode to cathode or vice versa. Usually separators are organic polymers, example cellulose, polyolefins, and Nafion membranes. Classification. Batteries are classified into three types. Primary batteries. In these batteries, the chemical reactions in the cells are not reversible, so these are not rechargeable. Zinc MnO2, lithium MnO2 batteries. Secondary batteries. These are the storage batteries. The chemical reactions in the cells are reversible, so used batteries can be recharged by passing current. The external current makes redox reaction gets reversed during charging. That electrical energy is stored in the form of chemical energy and utilized whenever needed. Therefore, secondary batteries are known for as storage batteries. Lead acid, nickel cadmium batteries, nickel MH batteries, lithium ion battery. A reserve battery. The components of the battery were stored and isolated within the cells and make them to contact whenever energy required. Should the electrolyte were stored separately, the materials are stored in an inactive state. Use of those after activating them are known as reserve batteries. These are used for long-term storage. Silver MnO2, silver CuCl2, lithium thionyl fluoride. Battery characteristics. Battery characteristics refers to the Key properties and specifications that describe how a battery performs and how it can be used in different applications. These characteristics help determine the sustainability of a battery for specific tasks as well as its longevity, efficiency, and safety. Voltage. Voltage is the electrical potential difference between the positive and negative terminals of the battery. It determines the amount of energy that can be delivered per unit charge. The voltage of battery is given by the equation E of cell is equal to E of cathode minus E of anode minus nu of A minus nu of E minus IR cell, where EC and EA are electrode potential of cathode and anode respectively. Nu A and nu B are over potentials at anode and cathode respectively, and IR cell is internal cell resistance. A good battery must have electrodes having high potential difference, low over voltage, low internal resistance to deliver maximum voltage. Capacity. Capacity Ah or mAh. Capacity refers to the amount of charge that can be obtained from a battery and is usually measured in amperes hours, Ah, or milliampere hours, mAh. It indicates how long a battery can deliver a certain amount of current. Example, a 2000 mAh 2Ah battery can theoretically supply 2 amps for 1 hour or 1 lamp for 2 hours. A good battery must have high capacity, which can be expressed using Faraday equation. C equals WNF by M, where C is capacity, W is mass of active material stored battery, F is Faraday constant, and M is molar mass of active material. Capacity of battery can be measured by plotting a graph of voltage versus time, where the flat portion of graph indicates the capacity of battery. More the length of flat portion, better the capacity of battery. Flat portion, voltage versus time, P minimum of the cell. Electricity storage density. Electricity energy density is the amount of charge stored per unit mass of battery. High energy density means the battery can store more energy in a smaller or lighter package. Mass of battery includes mass of electrolyte, active materials, current collectors. For instance, 65 grams of zinc is stored as anode material to deliver 96500 coulomb of electricity. For same charge, if lithium is used, just 7 grams is required. Energy density Wh by kg. Energy density is defined as the ratio of energy available from a battery to its mass measured in Wh per kg. It is given by energy density is equal to IET by W. IET by W, where I is the current drawn from the battery at fixed voltage E for time duration T, and W is the weight of battery. Higher energy density is particularly important for portable electronics and electric vehicles, where size and weight are crucial. Example, lead acid 30 to 50 Wh watt-hour per kg, nickel metal 60 to 120 watt-hour per kg, lithium polymer 100 to 250 watt-hour per kg, lithium ion 150 to 250 watt-hour per kg. Cycle life. Cycle life refers to the number of charge and discharge cycles of battery can go through before its capacity falls to the certain percentage of its original value, usually 80%. A good battery must have high cycle life. Lithium ion battery might have a cycle life of 500 to 1000 cycles, while lead acid battery may only last 300 to 500 cycles. Shell life. The shelf life is a period of storage during which the battery has to retain its performance. It means during storage period after its manufacturing, the battery should not undergo any kind of self-discharge and should show 100% efficiency when it is used. Self-discharge reduces the shelf life of the battery. The good battery must have long shelf life. Some batteries like lithium-ion may last for several years on the shelf with minimal degradation, while others, like lead acid, may degrade more quickly even when not in use. Lithium-ion battery. During the charge and discharge process, lithium ions are inserted or extracted from the interstitial space between atomic layers within the active material of the battery. Simply, the lithium ion is transferred between anode and cathode through lithium electrolyte. Since neither the anode nor the cathode materials essentially change, the operation is safer than that of a lithium metal battery. Construction and lithium intercalated layers, lithium ion battery. Anode, lithium intercalated layered graphite with polyvinylidene fluoride (PVDF) as the binder coated on copper current collector. Lithium incorporated transition metal oxide like LiMnO2 with conducting material and binder coated on aluminum current collector. Lithium salt LiPF6 in propylene carbonate, ethylene carbonate, PCEC. Propylene carbonate, ethylene carbonate. Separator microporous polyethylene film. Load power supply. Here is the diagram which shows the anode, cathode, anode active material. Example graphite, cathode active material, for example lithium cobalt oxide, LiCO2. Anode active material graphite, and Cu current collector, Al is current collector. Li plus. Reactions: anode LiXC6 discharging X Li plus Xc plus X electrons. Cathode LiYMnO2 plus XLi plus Xe minus discharging and charging reversible Lix plus YMnO2. Overall reaction: LiYMnO2 plus LiXC6 discharging charging Lix plus YMnO2 plus Xc. Battery representation: LiXC6 Li plus, C bar LiPF6 and PCEC bar Lix plus YMnO2. Working during discharge, Li plus ions generate at anode by oxidation and diffuse to cathode, where they reduce to atoms and insert into the layers of metal oxide. During charge, the Li plus ions generate at cathode becomes anode during charging, and diffuse to anode becomes cathode during charging, where they reduce to atoms and insert into the layers of graphite. Thus, in lithium-ion battery, the cell reaction is merely the transfer of Li plus ions between the electrodes through polymer electrolyte. The movement of free electrons from anode to cathode via external circuit creates a charge at the positive current collector, cathode. The electrical current then flows through the device being powered, cell phone, computer, etc., to the negative current collector, anode. Each cell produces a potential of 3.6 to 3.7 volts. Advantages: high energy density, high voltage, and less weight, more resistance to overcharge and fast charging rate. Applications: Li-ion batteries are used in cameras, calculators, cardiac pacemakers, telecommunication equipment, portable radios and TVs, laptops, computers, mobile phones, aerospace applications. Sodium ion battery. Sodium-ion battery is a type of rechargeable battery analogous to the lithium-ion battery (LiB) but uses sodium ions Na+ as the charge carriers. Its working principle and cell constructions are almost identical with those of commercially well-known lithium-ion battery types. SiBs are currently evolving as a viable substitute for LiBs because of the abundant availability and reasonable cost of sodium. In SiBs, graphite electrodes cannot be used due to the bigger ionic radius of sodium ions compared with that of lithium ions. Hence, suitable anode must be used for better performance. Usually, hard carbon electrodes are being used for that purpose. Construction. Anode. Sodium interconnected disordered carbon material consisting of amorphous structure, hard carbon with polyvinylidene fluoride (PVDF) as the binder, coated on aluminium current collector. Cathode. Sodium incorporated transition metal oxide like NaMnO2 with conducting material and binder, coated on aluminum current collector. Electrolyte. Non-aqueous aqueous solvents, ethylene carbonate, propylene carbonate with sodium salt NaPF6. Separator. Fiber-based separator such as glass fiber battery representation NaXe6 bar Na plus dot C bar NaPF6 and PCEC NaMnO2. Load power supply. Anode cathode. Anode active material hard carbon. Cathode active material NaMnO2. Al current collector. Al current collector. Discharging Na plus charging. Electrolyte separator. Reactions. Anode. NaXe6 discharging charging X Na plus 6C plus X electrons. Cathode. NaYMnO2 plus X Na plus X electrons. Discharging charging NaX plus Y MnO2. Overall reaction NaYMnO2 plus NaXe6 discharging charging NaX plus Y MnO2 plus 6C. Working. During discharging, Na plus ions generate at anode by oxidation and diffuse to cathode, where they reduce to atoms and insert into the layers of metal oxide. During charging, Na plus ions generated cathode becomes anode during charging and diffuse to anode becomes cathode during charging, where they reduce to atoms and insert into the layers of hard carbon. Thus, in sodium-ion battery, the cell reaction is merely the transfer of Na plus ions between the electrodes throughout the electrolyte. The movement of free electrons from anode to cathode via external circuit creates a charge at the positive current collector cathode. The electrical current then flows through a device being powered, cell phone, computer, etc., to the negative current collector anode. Each cell produces potential of 2.3 to 2.5 volts. Advantages. SiBs have the advantage of high stability, relatively high density with up to 240 watt-hour per kg, long lifespan of 10 to 15 years, high efficiency 75% to 90%, high natural abundance of sodium, low cost, fast recharging. Applications. Renewable energy integrations. SiBs can store energy generated by solar, wind, etc. during low demand periods and supply it during peak demand. Electric vehicles EVs can be used in electric buses and other public transit systems, offering a cost-effective alternative to lithium-ion batteries. Portable devices used to power the portable devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Uninterruptible power supplies (UPS) used in critical infrastructure to provide backup power during outages. Marine use powers equipment on ships and underwater vehicles where lightweight and compact storage solutions are less critical than cost and reliability. Green fuels. The substance which produces significant amount of heat and light energy when it is burnt in presence of air or oxygen is called a fuel. The main constituents of the fuel are carbon and hydrogen. Classification of fuels. Depending on their origin, fuels are classified into primary and secondary fuels. These are again classified into solids, liquids, and gases depending on their physical state. Primary fuels. These fuels occur naturally and require no chemical processing before their usage. Secondary fuels, these are prepared from primary fuels. They require chemical processing before usage. Type: solid, liquid, gas. Primary fuels: solid, wood, peat, lignite. Secondary fuels: coke, charcoal, coal. Liquid: primary fuel, crude oil. Secondary fuels: gasoline, diesel, kerosene, synthetic petrol. Gas: primary fuels, natural gas. Secondary fuels: producer gas, water gas, coal gas, LPG, biogas. The fuels like LPG, petrol, diesel are obtained from the fractionation of crude petroleum oil, which is non-renewable energy source, and get depleted while mining. The usage of these fuels causes environmental pollution due to the release of CO2, carbon dioxide gas, leading to the greenhouse effect. Therefore, substituting fossil fuels with renewable alternatives such as synthetic petrol, biofuels is an efficient way to reduce environmental pollution. Green fuels are carbon neutral or even carbon free alternatives to fossil fuels produced from the renewable sources. Introduction to different types of green fuels. Synthetic petrol. Petrol synthesized in the laboratory using renewable energy resources like coal, natural gas, etc. is called synthetic petrol. There are two methods. Fischer-Tropsch process. In this process, a mixture of very small amount of H2 and CO is allowed to react in presence of iron and cobalt based catalyst at 300 degrees Celsius and 200 atmosphere to yield a mixture of hydrocarbons containing petrol, diesel and other chemicals. From this mixture, petrol can be separated by fractional distillation. 2n plus 1 H2 plus NCO, CnH2n plus 2 plus NH2, 2NH2 plus NCO, CN2H2n, NH2O. Burgess process. In this method, lignite is hydrogenated at 500 degrees Celsius and 250 atm in presence of nickel catalyst to give liquid hydrocarbons. N plus 2 H2 plus NC gives CnH2n plus 2. NH2 plus NC gives CnH2n. Biodiesel. Biodiesel can be obtained from the vegetable oil such as cottonseed oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, etc. It can be used as an alternative fuel to diesel in automobiles. Oils are triglyceride esters of long chain fatty acids which can be converted into biodiesel by transesterification. Transesterification is alcoholysis of the triglyceride oil in the presence of a base. The resulting mixture is of monoalkyl esters of long chain fatty acids is called biodiesels. It is eco-friendly fuel obtained from renewable resources like vegetables, oil and animal fat. Advantages. It can be obtained from renewable sources. It readily undergoes biodegradation. It has higher cetane number 48 to 60 than ordinary diesel 40 to 55. It reduces the emission of harmful gases like CO, NOx, etc. It is non-toxic and reduces greenhouse gases. It reduces oil import. Biogas. Biogas is a naturally occurring and renewable source of energy produced from the breakdown of organic matter by microorganisms such as methanogens and sulfate-reducing bacteria. In absence of air, it consists of 55% of CH4, methane, 35% of CO2, 2 to 3% of nitrogen, and 7 to 8% of hydrogen, 0 to 3% of H2S, 0 to 2% of oxygen. The composition varies with the nature of organic matter. Hydrogen gas can be used as fuel in the transportation, power generation, industrial activities. It does not release greenhouse gas emissions such as carbon dioxide when it is burnt. Green hydrogen is the name given to the hydrogen gas that has been produced using renewable energy such as wind or solar power, which create no greenhouse gas emissions. It has been considered as a promising alternative to unsustainable fossil fuels because it is a vital for the production of commodity chemicals such as ammonia and has a great potential as a clean burning fuel. However, 90% of the world's hydrogen is currently obtained by the reformation of the fossil fuels, which consumes much energy and is accompanied by the serious CO2 emissions. To realize the hydrogen based economy, hydrogen must be efficiently and sustainably produced. Properties of hydrogen pertaining to fuels. Hydrogen is highly flammable. It only takes a small amount of energy to ignite it and make it burn. It also have a wide flammability range, meaning it can burn when it makes up 4 to 74% of the air by volume. Hydrogen is considered as an alternative fuel under the Energy Policy Act of 1992 due to its ability to power fuel cells and zero emission vehicles at potential for domestic production in the fuel cells, fast filling time, and high efficiency. It can be used as an alternative transportation fuel. Because of its capacity to generate energy without releasing greenhouse emissions, it is a potential clean alternative to fossil fuels. Hydrogen also prepared by various chemical processes such as water gas shift reaction, steam reforming, syngas reaction, fast pyrolysis. Introduction to electrolysis of water. Hydrogen is the most abundant chemical element in the universe. Despite its abundance, hydrogen does not naturally exist as a gas in usable quantities, occurring almost entirely in the components such as water. Therefore, hydrogen must be produced using industrial methods. Most of these involve reformation or reforming of natural gas. Other methods exist, including a process called electrolysis, whereby an electric current is used to split water into its basic components, hydrogen and oxygen. Generation of hydrogen by electrolysis of water. Proton exchange membrane electrolysis. Cathode, anode, H2O, O2, cathode, anode. Proton exchange membrane. PEM. Electrolysis is industrially important as a green source of high purity hydrogen for chemical applications as well as energy storage can be produced. Typical PEM water electrolysis devices operate a potential over 1.48 volt versus RHE reversible hydrogen electrode. Anode and cathode is separated by a solid polymer electrolyte membrane Nafion of thickness below 0.2 mm. At the anode, water is oxidized to produce oxygen, electrons, and protons. The protons are transported across the electrolyte membrane to be reduced to hydrogen. The catalyst for water oxidation is typically iridium. The cathode is coated with platinum-based catalyst, where protons and electrons recombine to produce the hydrogen gas. The electrons exit from the anode through the external power circuit, which provides the driving force, cell voltage for the reaction. It consists of two porous carbon electrodes. Anode is coated with platinum catalyst and cathode is coated with silver catalyst, as shown in the figure. The electrolyte is an aqueous solution of H2SO4. Methanol is continuously supplied at the anode and oxygen is supplied at the cathode. Methanol absorbed on anode electrode surface and undergoes oxidation, giving CO2 and H plus ions. Electrons released at anode move externally to cathode. H plus ions diffuse through the electrolyte and reacts with oxygen at cathode to produce water. A membrane is placed adjacent to cathode to prevent the diffusion of methanol to cathode, or else methanol diffuses to cathode and undergoes oxidation itself. Reactions: anode CH3OH plus H2O gives CO2 plus 6H plus 6 electrons. Cathode 3/2O2 plus 6H plus 6 electrons gives 3H2O. Overall reaction: CH3OH plus H2O plus 3/2O2 gives CO2 plus 3H2O. Applications: methanol O2 fuel cell is used in consumer electronics, used in powering devices such as laptops, smartphones, tablets, and cameras. Outdoor equipment, ideal for portable chargers, GPS devices, and camping equipment in remote areas without access to the grid power. Military and defense, provides reliable power for communications, surveillance, and navigation devices during extended missions. Transportation, suitable for applications like scooters, bikes, and small electric cars due to its compact size and ease of refueling. Marine, used in small boats. Stationary power generation, functions as an alternative to batteries or diesel generators in residential or commercial setups during power corruptions. An advantage of acid electrolyte is that CO2 can be easily removed. E of the cell is 1.21 volts. KOH cannot be used as it reacts with CO2 to form K2CO3.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.